All right, after doing a lot of tutorials for the songs from The Greatest Showman, I got a lot of requests to do the song Never Enough from the same movie. So I'm going to go ahead and make a tutorial for that song for you guys. Now this song was recommended to me by Elizabeth, Joyce, Harriman, and Andela. So thank you guys so much for your recommendations. Now if anybody else out there has any recommendations for me, just leave those in the comments down below and I'll be happy to put them on my list to draw from for the future tutorials.
Trying to hold my breath, let it stay this way. Can't let this moment end. You set off a dream with me, getting louder now. Can you hear it echoing? Take my hands, will you share this with me? 'Cause darling, without you, all the shine of 1,000 spotlights, all the stars we steal from the night sky will never be enough, never be enough. Towers of gold are still too little. These hands could hold the world, but it'll never be enough, never be enough for me. Never, 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 never for me, for me. Never enough, never enough, never enough for me, for me, for me. All the shine of 1,000 spotlights, all the stars we steal from the night sky will never be enough, never be enough. Towers of gold are still too little. These hands could hold the world, but it'll never be enough, never be enough for me. Never, 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 never for me, for me. Never enough, never enough, never enough for me, for me.
All right, so I'm going to be using the G chord family for this song, and I've got my capo on the 1st fret. So I'm actually playing in the key of G sharp. Now, if you would like, you could just remove the capo and play it in the key of G if you want, but I just do this because it's easier for me to sing that way. Now, for strumming, I'm using the driving pattern, which is a very easy 4-beat strum pattern. We just have 4 down strums with an up strum after beat 4, and then we repeat. Now, we're adding emphasis on beats 1 and 3, so every other beat, we're going to be strumming harder. So if I were to just do that for you so you can hear what it sounds like, it would be like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1. Now, if you'd like to get the chord chart for this song, you can click right here, and that'll take you on over to the website where you can download the chord chart for this song and many others as well. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and I look forward to seeing you in the next lesson. Take care.